Happy New Year, people. This is 2020. I'm Simeon Jana. Welcome to the 11th tutorial inside Python 3.8 programming. Okay? And scripting. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's not waste time here. We're starting a new topic which is called operators. Yeah, so I'm going to go through, teach you guys what different types of operators, examples. Yeah, so that you guys can be able to use them wherever you may wish to do so. Okay, so let's. By the way, how was 2019? Yeah, it was so fun. Yeah, so good. Let's see what 2020 is going to bring to us. Okay, so let's see lesson 11. Operators. Okay. Make sure you have 3.8. Okay, Python 3.8. Okay. Okay, first things first. It is still creating our project. First, you need to add your package. Okay. Create a new Python file. I like calling it main. I don't know why. Okay. So, what basically operators are, I'll put that in a comment. Operators are like mathematical expressions. You can see like that. We have different of them. We have assignment operators, arithmetic operators, bitwise, we have membership, identity operators, we have comparison operators, and logic operators. Okay, so first maybe we are going to talk of the arithmetic operators. Okay, yeah, so these are constructs. Okay, constructs between operands. Okay, operands are like maybe numbers or words, whatever, but they are there maybe for arithmetic expressions. For example, the addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Okay, so operators are constructs. Okay, examples of arithmetic: logical, bitwise, identity, membership, okay, logical, and etc. Okay, but now we're going to deal more with arithmetic operators. Okay, so I'm saying an operand values, let's say values, okay, going together with an operator. Okay, let's see how we had an example like 4 plus 10. Okay, the 4 is the operand, and the plus is our operator, and this one is our operand. Okay, we don't know the answer. Yeah, so don't mind about this. These lines, never mind. Okay. Okay, so let's get an example. Operator plus, okay, is equal 45 plus 45 plus 12. Okay, operator minus is equal to 10 minus 20 minus 15. Okay, operator division. Okay, 2 45, and for that we use the slash, forward slash. Okay, operator multiplication is equal to 78. We use the asterisk. Okay, yeah, so these are our arithmetic operators. Okay, we can have the modulus is equal to 40, and for that we use the percent module 3. Okay, so this is the remainder of 3 going to 4. Okay, so that's the module. Okay, yeah, so maybe the exponent operator, exponent is equal to, yeah, so the operator exponent is like 12 exponential to 2 maybe. Yeah, so more of like the power of. Okay, yeah, so the other one is operator from. Okay, which is let's say 9 over like that. Okay, the explicit division. Okay, it ends where the result is the quotient in which the digits after the decimal points are removed. Okay, yeah, so these are our examples of arithmetic operators. Okay, let's try to print all these ones. Operator plus, let's just cover this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Yeah, so these are our arithmetic or mathematic operators. Okay, let's try to run down those ones. Yeah, so this is our output. 45 plus 12 is 57. 20 minus 18 is 7. 45 divided by 5 is 9.0. Okay, operator multiplication, 78 times 2 is 156. 40 modulus 3 is 1, the remainder is 1. Operator exponent, 12 by 12 is 144. And then operator flow is of 9 of 12 is 4. Yeah, so you can do more of this using inside your projects. Yeah, you're not limited, you can maybe add somewhere like that and then rerun it. The output will be updated. This one. Yeah, so don't be limited on when using these ones. They are so good to be used. It will make your life so easy, guys. Have a habit of using them, but please observe the bomb dash. Okay, because we stopped using board mass. It's the bomb dash. Okay, this the bomb dash. Okay, say brackets of multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Yeah, so don't forget to observe these ones. Okay, as in maybe plus 12. Okay, so it's going to start with this bracket, then addition, then maybe let's put so just in that order. As you can see here, the number is different just because I have done that to those numbers. Yeah, so that's for it in this tutorial. Arithmetic operators. Okay, don't memorize them, just know them.